Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. In this video I will be seeing how to get Udemy paid courses for free. We have more than 50 courses. I show you how you can get these courses for free in your own. So let's get started now. First one is Python Bootcamp 2021. Build 15 working applications and gives more than 353,000 students have already enrolled in this course. This is one of the best-selling course in Udemy. And if you see, you have more than 31 hours video content for this course. And once you complete this course you will also get a certificate of completion, and now the goods price is around 8,640, so we'll be using coupons to get the courses for free. The next courses is Data Structure with Python, the all-in-one course for you to conquer data structure with Python. This course is also free. The rating of this course is 4.9 and 10,702 already enrolled for the course. Only 21 hours left at this price. The coupon code for this course is free 2021 Python 3. And this course includes 8 hours on-demand video, 3 downloaded resources, full lifetime access. At the end you get certificate of completion of the course. The next course is Project Management, Cost and Schedule Monitoring using Udemy. Earned Value Management, Project Management, Cost Control and Monitor, Budget, Schedule and Cost Variance, Performance Index. This course is also free. The rating of this course is 4.0. 22,726 students already enrolled for the course. And coupon code is March 2021. This course includes 33 minutes on-demand video, 3 download resources, full lifetime access. At the end you get certificate of completion of the course. The next course is Web Development Masterclass, complete certification course. Learn to set up virtual cloud server service and develop database-driven website using the latest web technology. 4.4 is rating. 2,65,000 students already enrolled for the course. And course coupon codes is UXL 57,720. This course includes 25.5 hours on-demand video, 2 download resources, access on mobile and TV. And then you get certificate of completion of the course. The next course is How to Earn from Photography, Absolute Beginner's Guide. How to earn from photography, like stock photography, event photography, work as assistant photographer, and more. The rating of this course is 3.6. 78,065 students already enrolled for this course. This course is also completely free. 2 days left at this price. And coupon code is EarnedPhotomar 2021. A 1.5 hours on-demand video, access on mobile and TV, full lifetime access, and at the end you get certificate of completion of the course. All the course and the links are available into a description. The next course is Project Development using Java for Beginners -2021. Learn Java from scratch and become software engineer. Obtain valuable core Java skills and Java certification. The rating of this course is 4.2. And the 61,369 students already enrolled for this course. The coupon code is for Java Learner. This course includes 46 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of completion. Link of this course is given in description. All coupon codes also given in description. The next course is Reverse Engineering. Create your own GUI CrackMe using C++. The fun way to learn how to build Windows GUI programs by creating your own CrackMes for reverse engineering. Already 8,310 students enrolled for this course. This course is completely free. 1 day left at this price. Coupon code is RECMAR2. This course includes a 3.5 hours on-demand video, 18 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of completion of the course. The remaining course and course links available into a description. Coupon code also available into a description. So if you want more such type of courses and videos, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.